And welcome back, you fabulous fourth graders, you math wizards. Here we go. We get started on our application problem. It is a 5-minute application problem. Let's get this done. Okay, Eureka Math. The secret is reading, then drawing, then writing. RDW. Let's see what's going on here. Jennifer texted 5,849 times in January. So that's something we know. I'm going to underline that and circle the number. In February, she texted 1,263 more times than in January. I'm going to circle that. What we need to find out, what was the total number of texts that Jennifer sent in the 2 months combined? So it says explain how to know if the answer is reasonable. Okay, reasonable. So let's take a look at how we're going to do this. First of all, we're going to put January up, make a tape diagram of January. So I'm just going to put Jan, period, for January. Let's make our tape diagram. How many times did she text in January? 5,849 times. That's a lot of texting. 5,849. What about in February? Well, we know it was more, 1,263 more. So this tape diagram is going to go a little longer. So we know that this amount's the same. This is 5,849. But now we're adding on 1,263 more. And you're writing this down. We are copycat mode. So 1,263 more times than in January. All right. So it looks like we got to do some adding. Let's add up February 1st. So 5,849 plus 1,263. And you go ahead and work on this too. I think you guys got this down by now. I'm going to work on it, but you could just come back and check your answer. You could pause the tape if you like. 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bring up the 1 there, bring it over. 6 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but I can't forget about that 1. That makes 11. Bring that over. 8, 9, 10, 11. And 5, 6, 7. So there's 7,112. So this whole number right here is 7,112. Now I need to add on January to get the total for both months. 7,112 plus 5,849. And I like to leave a little room here for my ones. 2 plus 9, 9, 10, 11. Bring over the 1. 4, 5, 6. 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is 12. So we have 12,961. Okay, now, explain how to know if the answer is reasonable. Well, first of all, let's write down what Jennifer, how many times she texted. Jennifer texted 12,961 times during January and February. Now you might want to pause the tape right there so you can finish that before you get back till we check for reasonableness, okay? Because always got to check for reasonableness. And welcome back. Time to check for reasonableness. Let's just go ahead and round these to the nearest, what should we round it to? The nearest hundredth, the nearest thousand? How about the nearest 100? No, nearest thousand. Keep it easy. So is this closer to 7,000 or 8,000? If you said 7,000, you're absolutely correct. Is this closer to 5,000 or 6,000? Well, look, it's way past the midpoint of 500, so it's closer to 6,000. So we just got to check to see if we're close to 12,961. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 7 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13,000. And look, that's almost 13,000. It's only 39 away from 13,000. So it says explain how to know if the answer is reasonable. It is reasonable. Exclamation point. My rounding, whoops, answer is close, or my estimate is close to my actual answer. So I'm going to put that, center that a little bit. So it is reasonable. My rounding answer is close to my actual answer. So we can do a nice little check there and say, okay, that answer is reasonable. Oh, Mr. Leggett, I love that word. What word? Reasonable. Well, maybe we'll do some more estimating to check for reasonableness. Excellent. Okay, go and take a little break. Fourth graders after you get that all done, and I'll see you in a while.